In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add thanks and regards in both new and existing signatures in Microsoft Outlook. First, let's navigate to the Microsoft Outlook page where everything will begin. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the Sign In button that should be clearly visible. Enter your login details as prompted on the Sign In page, and after you've ensured everything is correct, click Next to proceed. Now that you're logged into your account, you'll find yourself on the Outlook dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this view if you're new to it. Once you're comfortable, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you should see a small icon that resembles a gear. That's your settings icon. Click on it. From the menu that appears, you'll go into your account settings. Within this section, look for an option named Signatures and select it. This is where the magic happens. Now, let's create your signature. You'll begin by giving it a name. This is for your reference only, so pick something that clearly identifies its purpose for future use. Perhaps something like professional signature or simply work email. After labeling your signature, move over to the text box that appears on the screen. This is where you'll type in your customized conclusion, thanks and regards. Take a moment to consider how you want this to appear in your emails. You might choose to stylistically enhance it with your name and position, if applicable, to make it look more polished and professional. With your new signature crafted, you'll need to officially create it by clicking New Signature. The interface should have a clear option for this, allowing you to complete the initial setup. Once you've clicked it, you'll notice additional options regarding when this signature should be used. Here, you can decide whether this newly created signature should automatically be placed at the bottom of new messages you compose, or whether it should also be included in replies and forwards. Select the option that best fits your needs. Finally and importantly, you must save all the changes you've made. There should be a Save button at the bottom or top of the settings panel. By clicking this, you ensure that all your adjustments are set and ready to be used the next time you send an email. And there you have it, a straightforward way to enhance your email communications with a touch of personalization and professionalism. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes your email interactions just a little more polished. Enjoy using your new Outlook signature.